Today is our perfect 10 episode. This is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my Maring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching The Kitty Show, ang taring at halakin showbiz edition. And for our easy run, ang pag-uusapan natin talaga ay ang batang marami ang natouch dahil sa kanyang kabaitan at sa kanyang sinseridad sa pagbibigay ng kanyang napanalunan. And who are we talking about, Mare?
Caprice Cayetano.
She is, of course, one half of the PBB Collab Victors. Yung kalahati nun, of course, ang si kapamilya na si Lela Ford. At ito nga, si Caprice Cayetano naman ang galing sa Kapuso Network. At ang nakakaloka, golden na golden ang kabaitan nitong si Caprice Cayetano. At talagang, for someone who belongs to the Gen Z demographic, hahangaan mo talaga ang katotohanan na ang kanyang pinalunang 1 million ay kanyang i-donate sa The Little Ark Foundation at sa mga deaf community. Ang The Little Ark Foundation ay non-profit organization na tumutulong sa mga batang may sakit na cancer at mga critical illnesses. At of course, gusto rin ni Caprice na a portion of it will go to the deaf community. How do you feel about this, Mare? Na this young girl is helping so much.
This Caprice Cayetano is one of a kind. At her age, she knew the value of sharing, of being selfless. She knew what to do with her money. Not everybody can do that,
Yes.
1 million, napanalunan mo.
Oo. At hindi madaling nakuha yung 1 million. Alam mo naman, super competition talaga ang PBB.
She went through the
the rigors.
Diba, of the selection, of the contest, diba? Parang how many months did she stay in the more than 1 month or 2 months, diba?
Matagal-tagal
Kasi she was there from the very start. Hindi she wasn't nominated for yata, diba?
She was never na part of the pwedeng matanggal.
Tawag dito, and to think that she's very young, parang may 20 na ba ito o wala pa?
I'm not sure if she's in her late teens or early 20s.
I mean, she was raised very, very well by her family. Kasi sa Gen Z siya, no?
Yes.
Gen Z generation.
Oo.
Sa Gen Z, how many will ever think of giving away a cool 1 million? Di ba? It's hard-earned. Tawag dito. So, may sentimental value.
Yes.
Because that's her first biggest earning niya yun. Di ba?
Yes.
As a kapuso, di ba? Talent. And yet, unselfishly, she gave it to
the kids
who needed it most.
Yes.
Diba? That is laudable, commendable, and it's a one-of-a-kind thing.
Yes.
Diba?
And I really hope more Gen Z teenagers get inspiration from her. Now, whatever you have, kung may sobra, kasi I think ang feeling niya doon, sobra-sobra yun eh. And I read somewhere na talagang bago pa siya pumasok, naglalaro na yun sa utak niya. Kung sakasakaling papalarin siya at mananalo, yung winning niya nga, idodonate niya. Di ba nag-manifest? Di ba? Binigay talaga sa kanya. Kasi nga, mabuti ang kanyang hangarin.
From the very start.
Mabuti ang kanyang kalooban from the very start. And tanungin mo ibang Gen Z ngayon, saan magagano mo yung 1 million?
Gadget, something.
Diba? Nothing else spend it by ng mga branded, travel.
O kaya car, di ba? It can buy one car na, di ba?
Okay, yung travel, di ba? Buy ng mga branded outfits.
Pero ito, she went against the tide.
Yes.
Talagang pinamigay. Bukas puso, bukas pala na pinamigay. How laudable is that? Di ba? Very laudable.
Saka walang second thoughts. Talaga dahil yun ang motivation niya for entering the house and going to give it to people who need it more, binigay niya.
Not every teenager has that kind of motivation.
Yes. Kaya please nakakatuwa ka.
Not every teenager has that kind of mindset.
Oo. And nakakatuwa kasi tutulungan niya mga kids with cancer being supported with the Little Ark Foundation. Diba? Parang in a way, in-extend niya yung buhay ng mga batang to. With that kind of donation. Siyempre, with that kind of donation, makakabili ng mas maraming gamot, mas maraming mga masasustansyong pagkain, mas maraming healthcare ang mabibigay.
Alam mo, it
Diba?
all boils down to how she was raised by her parents.
Whoever are your
Kasi,
parents, hats off po kami.
Iba Kasi, at her age, ano pa siya kumbaga, spring chicken. And yet, she knew the value of money. She knew how to spend it, where to give it, who to give it to, 'di ba? Parang kasi para sa mga teenagers parang wala nang ganung mindset.
Parang wala na siya masyadong care. Parang mga teenagers ngayon, please correct us if I'm wrong, ha? Correct us kasi 'di ba parang ngayon ang mga teens parang I me myself Mga YOLO. Di ba sila yung mga henerasyon ng mga YOLO.
Yeah.
You only live once, di ba? Party, gimmick, travel goes.
Kaya
Ano-ano
this
pa.
this girl will be a source of inspiration sa mga sana sana, 'di ba? Kasi maganda yung inano niya sinimulan niya.
Kung naintindihan niya pagkaganda-ganda.
At saka alam mo, ang ano ko nga dito ang hope ko is sana maraming commercials na kumuha sa kanya.
Yes, oo.
Para mas marami siyang matulungan.
Marami siyang mas matulungan pa.
Kasi given her her genuine kindness, it will go a long way.
Yes. At talaga pag ganyan ang values mo, alam mo to habang lumalaki, kahit pa matagal sa showbiz, hindi siya makukorrupt ng sistema. Kasi nasa tamang...
Yung foundation niya maganda Diba? It's all in the foundation.
Nasa tamang kinakatayuan siya. Kaya Caprice, we are so happy and we are very, very proud of what you've done. At ngayon na nga, ang mga proud na kami, syempre pa, yung aming mga letter senders. Ito na, mahal na mahal natin to, Mare, di ba? Ikaw ang magbasa.
Ikaw na lang.
Okay.
I'm the second one na lang.
Diyos ko, alam ko lang kung bakit kunyari nahihiya ka. Mula sa aming mabuting subscriber, si Miss Lenny Paras, wow na wow po! Ang sexy naman ng aming Madam Alex. Kaya taob ang ibang online talk shows dahil kayo ang nag-iisang beauty and brains na host. Kudos din po kay Madam Alwin dahil hindi nagpapatalbog. Love po namin kayo. And Lenny, love. We love you. Pero Mari, ano mo na comment po kay Lenny? Sexy sa'yo last week.
Oo nga I'll try to outdo myself. Tarata! My God!
Next letter sender, Mari. Basa.
Lynn Prot. Wow! Is she a foreigner?
Baby.
I love Alwin and Alex.
And we love you too, Lynn.
Diba?
Thank you so much for your appreciation, for telling us how you feel, and for making us feel your love. From Maria Pastrana, we love you po. Thank you always. As 18, I'm happy you always feature Mahalima. Oh, yes, mahal na mahal po namin talagang Mahalima at ina-admit ko po, the diva that you love ay SB19 fan. Mare, basa.
Edita Trillies. I like your show more and more. Wow. Diba? Very precise.
Very short, sweet, pero loaded. She loves our show more and more. Mare, bakit despite of all our bashers and our trolls, marami pa rin nagmamahal sa atin at sumusuporta? What say you?
Because we're a lovable bitch.
We're lovable bitches.
Diba?
And aside from that, what else?
Because we genuinely express our emotions, our thoughts, without considering caution.
Oh.
Kasi yung iba kasi may pagpreno di ba?
Some are trying to be careful.
We are not feigning our courage. We are not feigning our bravery. We call a spade a spade.
Yes.
Di ba? That's it.
Kaya nga dun sa basher ko, na-stalker ko pa.
Kaloka.
Hindi pa nang kita papatulan. Gustong-gusto ko yung nanginginig ka sa galit. That's your choice mo naman yan. Pwede namang hindi, di ba? Kami, alam niyo po, ang ginagawa po namin, kami po ni Alex sa dalawang reporter na pagmahal namin ang mga artista, mas lalo namin tinitira, mas lalo namin pinamumukaan, lalo na kung alam namin wala kila sa hulog. Ang tawag po namin doon, Cariño Brutal. Kung hindi nyo kaya ang Cariño Brutal ni Ultra Maldita at The Diva That You Love, alam nyo na. Ako po si Alwin Ignacio, ang Diva That You Love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brasas.
At pinapanood nyo po ang The Reality Show, Tariana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.